Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my Sunday reset routine. Just a little disclaimer, some Sundays I do more, some days I do less, sometimes we're out all day or sitting around in pyjamas all day just eating all of the snacks. But I do like to at least get a couple of these things done before Monday rolls around. I just feel so much more prepared for the week ahead, less stressed and just more organised. Whatever happens though on a Sunday, I always like to get up that little bit later, have a nice slow start to the day. So getting my morning coffee, having a nice long hot shower, making the boys a breakfast. It's not rushed like it can be sometimes on the school days. And yeah, just taking the time to get myself ready. I'll normally have a bit of music or something on whilst I'm doing this, and yeah, just getting ready for the day. Once I've got myself ready, I am then making the bed. This is something I do every day without fail. I just think it's a really good way to start the day. It makes you feel super organised. You're already ticking one job off the list straight away. It just gives a sense of calm and a clean slate as you start the day. So I absolutely love doing this. I'm just going to spray some crease release on it as well, just because it smells so gorgeous. I also decided to change my jumper this particular day because the temperature has dropped so much. It is really like summer has just really clocked out right on time. So I have just changed into a much more snugglier, albeit a bit tatty jumper, but it's just what I want for pottering around in the house. I am then going to crack on with some jobs around the house. So I'm just putting a chicken in the oven. Is there anything better than having the smell of roast chicken through the house on a Sunday? I'm not actually doing a Sunday roast with it though, because the boys are not a big fan, but I am going to shred up all of the chicken and then it is there for a couple of meals in the week. I'm also getting all of my washing done out the way. Making sure that the wash basket is empty by Monday just makes me feel loads better, loads more organised, like I say, because I don't have any washing to do on the Monday. Also, just giving the house a tidy, getting some of those chores out of the way, because the last thing I feel like doing on a Monday morning is giving the kitchen a good clean or anything like that.
It's been 4 weeks since you called, and I've been waiting here for you all along. I've been waiting here for you all along. Where you been? Where did you go? I wonder if you found what you're looking for. Wonder if you found what you're looking for. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me. Say that you won't go. I can't cope without you, and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go.
Look at that gorgeous roast chicken, and it smells so good. I am so bad though for just like sneaking pieces of the skin. I just think that is the best bit on a chicken. But yeah, I'm shredding it all up because it's just so good to make a couple of meals. It's much cheaper as well to do it that way, because then you're getting a few meals out of the one chicken that you're roasting. It's good for putting in pasta, salads, just in sandwiches. I love a freshly roasted chicken sandwich, like on tiger bread or something. Oh my god, it's so nice. And I just had to show this cheeky little boy who was desperate for me to drop some of that chicken on the floor. I am then prepping some fruit for the boys for the week ahead, so they'll take snacks into school. So I like to prep them little pots of all the fruits that they like, because that way I just know that I'm not going to be lazy one morning and like grab something easier, like it's all prepped out and they've got it. I'll do the first couple of days of the week and then do some more like on a Wednesday or something, because I don't want the fruit to go soggy. So that is just a great way for me to make sure that they're getting their 5 a day. Also, giving the fridge a clean on a Sunday is a job that I like to get done, because that way I can see what needs replenishing. It's just nice having everything organised before Monday comes around, and I can get my food shop ordered for Monday morning and it can all be put away, because I hate putting shopping away. I don't know why, I find it such a chore. But if the fridge is nice and neat and organised and clean, then it just feels so much easier to just put everything away.
Now it's like we're living.
I am then going to go and sit in my nice cozy chair and do some planning. So like I say, do the food shop. So I'm just going over my meal plan so that I have got what we're eating for the week. You can see me asking the boys what they might like as well, because it's always a challenge trying to come up with different meal ideas. So I'm just doing my Tesco shop, and then I'm going to do a list of anything that I need to do that week, any particular jobs or things that are happening with the school or where the boys have got to be. So I'm just going over it all on a Sunday afternoon so I know where I am for the week ahead. Is there anything better than a nice autumnal walk on a Sunday afternoon? It does take a little bit of persuading to get the boys to come out when the weather's a little bit colder, and Rudy is absolutely terrible for not wanting to walk when it's rained or it's raining. You might have noticed he's got his little leather coat on now. I just love him in that, but it just feels like the temperature has dropped enough for him to be back wearing his coat. It was a very wet day, but we have a gorgeous walk out in the woods, and then I just feel like every Sunday you should really eat some of the most yummy foods that you love, and my boys love camembert and crusty bread. I've also got some grapes and a really nice red onion chutney on the side. Also sometimes put a little bit of honey on the camembert as well. Oh, it's so good. And we are just going to sit and have that for our supper. There is absolutely nothing better. It's the ultimate comfort food. And as well as that, I also bought a sticky toffee pudding. Something really hearty and warming is what you want on these autumn nights. So we are going to have that with some custard. Oh my gosh, just watching this, I could eat it all over again. Once our bellies are full, it is time to go upstairs, and the boys will get their showers or baths, whatever they're preferring to have that night. We'll do all of our reading time, and I just have all the lights nice and low, keeping it all nice and cozy. Archie and Dylan will quite often have on like Disney lullabies for bed, or sometimes rain sounds. That helps them quite a lot to get to sleep, and it's just a nice atmosphere with all of that on. It just feels really cozy. I am then just folding all of the washing that I have got done over the weekend. I'll normally do this whilst watching something on Netflix in my room. At the moment, it has been the one that everybody is watching, which is the Dharma series. I am like many people that just gets quite a lot of enjoyment out of watching these true crime documentaries and series, and this one definitely had me grip. Just absolutely mind-blowing, isn't it? But yes, with the washing, I do love to have an empty wash basket when it comes to Monday morning. It just feels nice knowing that everything is clean. If anybody needs anything, it's all washed. I also go through all of the boys' uniform on a Sunday evening. I'll tend to just put it into different outfit groups, so a jumper, a t-shirt, and trousers and then put it away in their drawers, but it's just easy for them to grab in the morning what they need. Then lastly, once everybody's asleep, all the washing's put away, the house is somewhat tidy, I am going to have a nice relaxing bubble bath. I feel like a bubble bath is just an essential thing on a Sunday evening. It is for me anyway. I'm just putting in some bath salts, so I'm just going to chill out in there for as long as I can. And yeah, that is where I'm going to leave today's video. So I really hope that you enjoyed my little Sunday reset. I would love it if you hit the subscribe button if you're not already, and come back for my next video. Take care everyone. Bye.